we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Suro's regime. Suro's regime. Topping the list is the Suro's regime, an exotic auto rifle that's easily the top auto rifle in Destiny 2. Being brought over from the first Destiny and reintroduced in the Warmind expansion DLC.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.